Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 11 Max Pro, and today I'll show you how to transfer music from the computer to your device. So before we get started, there's a couple things you will need. Number one, if you're using a Windows, you will need to download a iTunes. You can find it on the Apple website. And if you're using a Mac computer, then you don't really need to do anything, it's already there. And the second thing that we'll need is the cable that you use for charging. Plug it into the computer, and from there also connect it to your device. You'll see that it pops up on here, and just move this. So just tap on OK, and let's go to the phone itself by tapping on the icon, and make sure that you have this enabled right here, manage or manually manage music and videos. And from there, once we go back to the library, right here you'll see that I have one album, but you can simply just add more by finding wherever you have music and just dragging it like this. You can see that it appears here as new. You can just minimize that, and from there you can either grab the entire albums by selecting them like so. If you want individual songs, you can just go into the songs right here and select which song you want by holding a control on your keyboard and tapping on each song that you want, or just by going in here and also dragging it like so. Now this is basically albums. You can also go into albums or artists and also select each individual one, and all of them can be grabbed and dragged over like so. So I'm just gonna select both of these, for example. And then to copy it to the device, all you need to do is grab it and wait till it actually shows up as blue like this, and just drop it. You don't really need to drop it anywhere specific, only in the blue area. And you will see that it's copying, and done. And now if we unlock the device and go into music, tap on continue, you will see that there are the two albums that I have copied. So that is how you would move music from computer to the device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.